Not sure where we got up to there, but I think I was left showing you these sort of detail about context, and if you want to go into more detail there, okay? And then the final section, which is connections between text and how writers and speakers represent place. So you've got a box here to sort of summarise how the writer, or the speaker in this case, has represented the society and the individuals. I'm just going to ignore my phone there. So in this case, it's representing the society of Paris, and we sort of summarise Paris as adventurous, there's possibilities, anything can happen, it's an exciting place, it's a cool place. You could go into more detail there and just put some quotations that link to those ideas, go in as much detail as you want there. Obviously, this is just a basis for which you can go into much detail as you like. And then there are also two boxes for you to make similarities and to connect differences with other texts. And what you would want to be doing there is looking at similarities and differences in how they demonstrate a place, but also in how the genre is different. So maybe they present the place in a similar way, but the genre, the context and the mode is very, very different. Maybe they show Paris in a very different way, but the genre, mode and contextual factors are the same. So it's just about making as many connections as you can so that you are as fully prepared as you can be in the exam. So just a couple of recaps on this. I think the main thing to keep in mind is that this is a, what do I want to say here? This is a sort of grounding, a base level for where you could go into a lot more detail than I have gone into. Much more detail, I think. This was a quick sort of 10 minutes for me, but I think you could probably go into more detail depending on what grade that you want. I also would advise doing this after you've gone into a lot of detail with the text. So you've gone into all this detail, and this is a sort of way for you to make sure that you've covered AO1, 2 and 3 with the text, and make sure you're covering all bases there. I would also advise using it with the textbook as well. So when you get to the different language levels, just remind yourself in the textbook what techniques are available for you to analyse within that language level. There are also chapters on mode, context and genre, so don't forget to, don't ignore those. So yeah, this video is finished now. Don't be afraid to adapt this. I have uploaded it electronically onto the class site, so don't be afraid to sort of adapt it, but do not get rid of any of these bubbles or boxes, because those form the basis of your analysis. And good luck.